Hi stamping friends, it's Jessie with Stampers, and I am back to talk more card kits with you all today. I am so excited about the one that I'm going to show you. It is called the Saying Thanks Kit, and it is bright, colorful, fun, and no stamping needed. This one is so easy to put together, and I'm real excited to show you that. So let's turn the camera around and we are going to dive right into this fun box I have here. Okay, so like I said, I am here with the Saying Thanks card kit. It comes with everything you need to create 9 different thank you cards. There are 3 designs, and I'm going to show you them all here. So let's get started. I told you, fun, colorful, I just love it. And this card, we're going to first take out these punch outs. I'm going to punch out my thanks, and I'm going to punch out my you're the best. Now, to adhere these to our card base here, we have these foam strips. They're like dimensionals, but not the standard shape of dimensionals that you're probably used to. They're nice strips. So I'm going to put one on the bottom, one on the top, and then here on my You're the Best, I'm going to place one on the bottom of that. Well, as close to the bottom as I can get to. Okay, so we got this nice string here. I guess the one thing that this card kit does not have is scissors, so I hope you do have a pair of scissors. I'm just gonna cut a little piece. Now the directions do tell you, you don't even need to tie bows with this, which is great because I am not a bow tire. My mom has this great tip of doing it upside down. It has never worked with me. I do not tie bows, and so I love this type of technique for using string, and this is what the card kit even tells you to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these backings. So the sticky part is up, and I'm going to use that to kind of just place the string. So there, now it's not going to move. I got a little piece hanging from the end. Then up here, I'm going to do a little twist. So it's poking out, stick it down, and then I'm going to do another twist down here. Stick it down, and that's it. Yeah, pretty simple. So I'll show you now what this looks like. So, okay, so the stickies are off, and all I'm going to do is just now put this on my card base. That's it. Now we got some fun string going on. You can make it like a bow, you can make it longer, shorter, however you want. This is just how it turned out for me. I am going to trim up this end though, because it's a little too long. Oops, let me try that again. Okay, that's much better. And now, my You're the Best, take that sticky part off. And we're just going to overlap it with my thanks a little bit. And that is it. There is thank you card number 1 from the Saying Thanks card kit. Does it get more simple than that? I'm not so sure, but I love it. And then if you can see over here, the fun coordinating envelopes for it to go into. Gotta love how colorful this is gonna be. You cannot tell me this is not going to cheer somebody up. All right, so let's move on to card number 2. Card 2 is going to use the thank you punch out. If you notice, it does have the thank you in a few different languages. And then I'm going to use my just wanted. Oh, I had to think for a second. And to say. So I just wanted to say thank you. That is what this card is going to be. So same thing. I have these 2 strips, my thank you, and I'm going to use my foam strips again. Stick that on. And then both on here. It's just so easy. So as I'm making this card, I'm just going to give you a few of my thoughts on this card kit. As I said, it's bright, it's colorful, I love it. It's going to send cheer. I also think this is a great card kit that children could do. I think it would just be a perfect summer craft to do with your kids, your grandkids, whoever it be. Because as you can see, this is so easy. It's not messy, and it's fun. I always enjoy doing these kits. Okay. So now I'm going to tuck in my just wanted and to say. Card number 2, done, except for I forgot my fun, shiny dimensionals. So I'm not quite done yet. Dimensionals, I meant to say embellishments. Whew, my head is everywhere right now. These are fun, just gonna tuck them in wherever I want, and they're gonna give the card just a little, not glitter, because they're not glittery, just a little shine to it. Card number 2. Now, what I didn't do with this card is I didn't pull out the string. I could have done the same thing that I done on the first card and kind of tuck it back in there, but I wasn't really feeling it. And this is my card kit. I can make them however I want to, and I didn't feel like string for this card. So card number 2, again, so simple. Let's move on to card number 3. Okay, so card number 3 might be a little bit more time consuming because you get this the sheet that's gonna go on top of your card base, and it has all these hearts to punch out. Now, I already went ahead and pre-punched out the hearts because I figured that'd be very boring for you guys to watch. But a little fun thing with it now, look how many just confetti hearts I have. You could totally repurpose these for another craft that you have going on. Okay, let me clean that up real quick. Making a mess over here. Okay, so like I said, pre-punched out all these hearts, and now what I'm gonna do, this kit came with more foam strips, but these ones are bigger than the ones that we've been using. And so it is going to go top, middle, and bottom. Peel these off. I'm chuckling at myself over here because I have long sleeves on and it is May in Georgia. Why is this so cold? Is it cold for everybody else? And I'm sure there are people hating me by saying it's cold in Georgia because you probably have snow, but it's cold here and I'm just a Southern girl now. Okay, so that's stuck. I'm going to now grab out my punch outs. I'm going to do the I appreciate you. Same thing, grab one of my little foam strips. See, this is fun. So this one says, I appreciate you, which doesn't necessarily have to be a thank you card. I mean, who doesn't like to be told they're appreciated? So it can just be an I appreciate you, thinking of you card. You could even use this as a birthday card. I appreciate you. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. I mean, whatever you write on the inside, it can be anything. Okay. So there that is. Again, I forgot the string, but you could do the same thing, wrapping the string around. Honestly, I really only did that the first card to show you all because I said I hate bows. I hate messing with the string. It is not my thing. But now I got my shiny embellishments I'm gonna add on. And this card kit, it comes with quite a few of these, so you can go as crazy as you want with your cards, adding these on, adding a little shine to it. And look at that. Card number 3 is complete. Like I said, this is just a fun, easy card kit to do. Look at all 3 of these cards. They are bright, they are fun, they are going to cheer someone up. This card kit, it costs only $13. $13 to make 9 cards, 3 of each of these designs. You cannot go wrong with this card kit. Highly recommend, great for children, great for all ages. I promise if you get it, you're gonna love it. All right, everyone, that is all I had. Like I said, quick and simple today. I hope everybody has a stamp happy day. Bye.